Hey guys, so I'm gonna talk a little bit about what it's like working full-time while living in my van. So where my last video stopped was I made it to Vancouver and I had a lot of fun going to the beaches and visiting my friends and doing some touristy things. Going to Stanley Park and all that good stuff. But then soon after, the opportunity of seasonal work came up at this bike share company, and they had just finished all of their hiring pretty much. Like, they usually do it in July, and I was applying a little bit late, but I have some experience with a very similar job back in Toronto. So they got me started really quickly. Like a day after the interview, I was working, and I've just been doing that for the past few weeks. I do get some time off, but I'm working like 40 hours a week. And anyways, that's just unexpected kind of thing that took up a lot of my time. And let me tell you, it's been a while since I've done this, worked and lived in the van or vehicle. It's been quite a while, and it's a little bit tiring. I am able to fill up on water at work sometimes, which I try to be like inconspicuous about. I feel like I'm leading a double life and I just have to embrace it and be confident. But in this point where like a lot of things are like changing and I'm figuring things out and I'm settling once again, like in a new city, very far away from where I'm used to. Yeah, YouTube definitely dropped off a little bit, unfortunately. So I've been taking a break from that for a while, a few weeks, and excited to gather some new thoughts and new ideas and come back to YouTube with them, just like another chapter of my life. Excited to be going on some city hikes soon. I've been seeing a lot of the roads recently because the new job is a driver for bike share, and yeah, so it's kind of cool getting to see the neighborhood and what the city life is like. And with this money, I hope to save up and go visit the Vancouver Island, which I hear such good things about all the time. So maybe that ferry ride will be in our future soon. Very exciting. So I've just been adapting a lot to this, like 40 hours a week while also living in a van, and work makes me really tired, so I do sleep a lot. And it's just like, I ended up getting a parking ticket the other day, which is so sad. The parking laws are a little bit different in Vancouver than they were in Toronto, for sure. Toronto, I could pay for parking and they had no problem with me staying there, and I did that for months and months. But Vancouver, like, I don't have to pay, but even though I would be very willing to just pay for a permit to be here, but you can't buy permits here, you have to live here with the insurance from here. They were like, yeah, pay $60. And I'm like, okay, I'll pay $60. Honestly, parking in Toronto was like 30 bucks a week, so yeah, I'm happy to pay $60 for whatever time I spent there. And then I just moved my van, and now I try to move it every Sunday. I'm actually trying to learn how to edit videos on my iPad or my phone right now, so I hope I can actually produce them more. My laptop is a little bit hard on my energy sources, and it's great if I can go to the library and work all day, but not always the option. Like after work, I just don't feel like it, and it'd be cool to edit on my iPad. So figuring that out for sure. Come on up, beavers. I'm gonna lie to YouTube and say it's a whale.
People are gonna call you out hard.
Just adapting a little bit for now. This job is seasonal, like I said, so till the end of September. And hopefully past that point, I will be back into it a lot because I miss it, I love it, and I'm seeing things and I'm like, I'm not appreciating that enough. I need to click, click. You know, share. Okay, talk to you guys later. Bye.